Hello everyone, welcome to Frugal Whisper. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is financial statement horizontal analysis for both income statement and a balance sheet. And I'm also going to conduct a horizontal analysis in front of you. So what is actually horizontal analysis? Horizontal analysis is also known as trend analysis. It is a technique used in financial statement analysis where financial data is compared across multiple periods to identify trends, growth patterns, or warning signs, you can say. So instead of looking at a single year in isolation, you compare figures like revenues, expenses, or assets from balance sheet, and more. So to see how they change in absolute in numbers and percentages. So how is actually a horizontal analysis done? In horizontal analysis, we take a base year, usually the earliest period from the current year. So in this horizontal analysis, I took 2022 as my base year. I had reasons, you must have also reasons, and you should explain why did you choose 2022 as your base year. It is the most important part of horizontal analysis, that is, you will have to explain and interpret every part of it. So I chose 2022 as my base year because I wanted to avoid the COVID phase, to avoid the abnormality of in financial data. So that was my reason. You might have your reason for choosing 2022 and 2021 or also 2023. So horizontal analysis can be conducted for 5 years, for 3 years, or 4 years. It's your choice and it depends on the situation. Okay, so from 2022 I subtract the base year figure from the current year 2025 to find the change in amount and the percentage changes. For example, if I want to see from 2025 to 2022 how much sales revenue increased, this was the amount. Look here, I subtracted 2025 amount and 2022 and I calculated the percentage changes. So if the interpretation here is from 2022 to 2025, the sales revenue increased by 27.49% by this amount. In the same way, from 2022 to 2025, the gross profit for Berger PBL increased by 70.62% by this amount. In the same way, we conduct analysis for every figure. Okay, so last but not the least, I can interpret in 2000 from 2022 to 2025, the net profit for the year increased by 17.69% by this amount. So you will, as an analyst, as a financial analyst, you will have to explain every part of the horizontal analysis and you will have to figure out why the operating profit actually increased by this amount, how and what did affect this increment. Okay, I hope you are clear about the income statement. And so let's move to the balance sheet. In balance sheet horizontal analysis, the rule is same. You will have to take a base year. I took 2022 as my base year and 2025 as current year. I calculated the total non-current assets from 2022 to 2025. So for Berger PBL, the total non-current assets increased by this amount from 2025 to 2022, and it increased by 28.23%. Same goes for the total assets, total owner's equity, total liabilities, and last but not the least, contingent liabilities. So the very first step you should take is to take the financial data properly into your Excel sheet from the financial statements of the company and then conduct this analysis. I hope you found this video helpful. And in the next video, I'm going to explain and conduct a common size statement analysis, which is also known as vertical analysis. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.